Good afternoon, everyone. We're at the Old Welsh Cemetery at the Conacher Institute. We're joined today again, like last week, by the students of the Mercersburg Academy. So while we're restoring the stones today, I thought it'd be nice to meet some of the kids who are helping us. So let's go see them. The cemetery here dates to the 1760s and was part of Philip Davis's God's Acre that was set up. The oldest headstones we've seen here today date to about 1820. So let's meet some of the students. You want to come on over? Sure. So you can see yourself right there. You probably made more videos than I have. Kids more tech savvy. So introduce yourself, what you're studying and why you're here.
I'm Isha. I'm a sophomore, student at Mercersburg Academy like all these other people are. And currently I'm not studying anything in particular. I'm just doing all my subjects. Yeah, I'm at the Conacher League because it's my PGA, and we've been cleaning gravestones and helping around the historic monument.
The entire site is an historic preservation area.
And I can't really read the letters too well yet, but it looks like it's saying David Bowen, so cleaning Mr. Bowen's grave.
Thank you very much. Most of the headstones in the cemetery date to the 19th century. Lots of family names are repeated, the Bowens, the Blairs, the Lawtons. But every headstone is worthy of restoration. What do you got there? Alright. So you are definitely working on a Blair. There's the screen. So introduce yourself and what you're studying for. What is your goal in life?
Yeah, my name is Dan Qureshi. I'm a senior at Mercersburg Academy, and my goal in life is to become a doctor. I'm planning to go to med school, so I really appreciate how the Conacher Institute has all the medical exhibits and stuff like that.
And I promise the second we're not covered in lichen and sweat, I will show you the medical exhibits, okay?
I'm very excited.
Cool. Thank you.
My name is Robert Sellery. I'm a junior at Mercersburg, and I'm really excited here to be at the Conacher Institute, just to really be out here in nature, talking to my friends and working on a project that benefits people.
Thank you. So as well as the Academy students, we are joined by Academy faculty. So introduce yourself and why you're here.
Sure. My name is Emily Parsons, and I'm a faculty member at Mercersburg Academy. I'm the Director of Community Engagement, and we are here to help Conacher Institute.
And I very much appreciate it. As we've already discussed, positive repercussions from this project, so I hope this is the first of many.
Yes, it's awesome. Good work. Thank you.
Cheers. Just introduce yourself and say why you're here.
I'm Axel. I'm here because of community engagement. Right now we're cleaning up the stone. Technically you could use chemicals, but we don't want to damage the tombstone. So hard work, grit, and a lot of time. But we're making some progress, and it's a nice day, and we're having fun.
Thank you, Axel. So if you'd like to support the Conacher Institute, whether it's with volunteering or doing donations to help keep our history alive and provide educational activities for students, please make a donation at our website, cimld.org/donate, or go to our PayPal, donate to CI.
After all, Atlanta's like